In this video, we will quickly look at the green section labeled Asset Search. These icons are linked to the Pixabay website, which provides copyright-free media. Click on the image icon and you will open the photo section of their website. You are free to search and download images. When you download an image, it does not go directly into your images folder for your project. You will have to go to your Downloads folder and move it to your Images folder via File Explorer. First, you may want to resize the image for your purposes. When using myDesigner 6, it is best to keep the image sizes as small as possible. This allows for a quicker response time upon loading an image. The next three icons are for videos, music, and sound effects. These assets work the same way as images and are predominantly for use with digital signage. These types of files will also be added to the Images folder. That is it for now. Thank you for viewing our collection of videos for getting acquainted with myDesigner 6. Our next video collection will dive into scenes, overlays, and general use components. If you find these videos interesting or helpful, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.